Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. So in this figure, we have to find the area of blue shaded region. So it is given that there are four identical semicircles, each of diameter 10 units, and PQRS is a square. We are asked to find the area of blue shaded region. For that, our approach will be to first find the area of this square and then subtract the areas of all the four semicircles. Now, in order to find the area of this square, we need to find the side length of the square, and for finding the area of semicircle, the diameter is already known to us. So the only thing that we need to find is the side length of this square. For that, let us join these 2 points. Let this point be M and this point be N. So this is a right angle triangle PMN. What will be the length of PM? This will be half the diameter of this semicircle. So this will be 5 units. And what will be this distance? The hypotenuse. You see that MN passes through the point of contact, because we have a theorem that says that if you have a line segment which joins the center of two circles touching each other either externally or internally, then the point of contact lies on the line segment joining the centers of two circles. This length will be 5 and this will be 5. So Mn will be 10 units. So let us write here as 10. Now what about Pn? So Pn we can find using Pythagorean theorem. So let us find Pn. So Pn square will be 10 square minus 5 square, that is 100 minus 25, 75. So Pn will be square root of 75, which gives us 5 times 5 times 3. So we can write 5 root 3 units. So this distance is 5 root 3. And what about Ns? Ns will be the radius of this semicircle. So this will be 5 units. Now from here we can get the side of this square PS. So PS can be written as Pn, that means 5 root 3, plus Ns, that is 5. So this will be 5 root 3 plus 5 units. Now after finding the side length of this square, we can find the area of square PQRS. So it will be equal to, we can write PS whole square, or we can take 5 here common. So this will be root 3 plus 1. So here it will be 5 times root 3 plus 1 whole squared. Let us simplify this. So 5 square will be 25, and this will be root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now we need to find the area of all the semicircles. So area of one semicircle will be equal to 5 times the square of radius. So radius is 5. So 5 square divided by 2, because it is a semicircle. So we can write 25 pi upon 2 square units is the area of one semicircle. So area of 4 semicircles will be how much? 4 times 25 pi upon 2. We can cancel this 2 times. So this will be 50 pi square units. Now using calculator, we can find this 25 multiplied with root 3 plus 1 whole square. So this will be 186.6 approximately equal to. And this 50 pi will be equal to approximately 157.1. This is the area of 4 semicircles. So the area of blue region will be equal to area of square, that is 186.6, minus area of the 4 semicircles, which is 157.1. So this will give us 29.5 square units. So the area of this blue shaded region will be 29.5 square units. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.